that 2024 was your content creating era, right? You made thousands of dollars, you were raking in the bank from all of those brand deals, and then you get to tax season and you realize you owe thousands of dollars. What did you do wrong? Nothing, actually, and that's actually pretty normal for content creators. When you work for a normal company, like a coffee shop and you're a barista, for instance, you usually get this thing called a W-2. W-2s typically withhold taxes from every single paycheck that you get. When you're a content creator, you get something called a 1099. With these 1099s, you typically need to withhold those taxes yourself, which means 25 to 30% of that income. My number one tip for tax season is to track literally all of your expenses. Every single brand deal, gifted item, affiliate link, put that on an Excel sheet. Let's get into write-offs, and please, for the love of God, do not trick the IRS. The good thing is content creators can write off a ton of their purchases because they can go towards videos. For example, I have a vanity that I bought at the beginning of this year to write off next year's tax seasons. Because it has a big light, I'm using it right now, I can write it off on my taxes. Example B, any sort of camera equipment that you get, any sort of tripods, anything like that. If you do food content, you can write off those meals. The next tip I have, which I am going to develop this year, is getting an LLC. An LLC is basically going to separate your personal finances from your content creating finances. My tip is to get a separate bank account and card for your content creating purposes. I know it probably seems really stressful and scary, but I promise you it is not that hard once you get the groove of it. If you have anything that you feel like is very important and I didn't mention in this video, please comment down below so our other creators can get some tax tips for this season.